What's the last name?
Hines, Gregory Hines.
Good morning, Mr. Hines.
Morning.
Mr. Hines, you're charged with 2 cases. You're charged with terroristic threat. You're also charged with criminal trespass. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine on both of those cases. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you. Are you signing on as attorney of record?
I already have this.
Okay, you're hired?
Hired.
Got it. Okay, so just please don't say anything. Okay,
On August 20th, 2024, officers were flagged down by Platinum Parking by a valet who is a complainant. Defendant had parked his car blocking the driveway entrance to the parking lot, and complainant asked him to move the car. Defendant refused, became belligerent, and then drove off. He returned to the property later and illegally parked his vehicle on the property in the moving lane, blocking access for other customers. Complainant again asked him to move his car, but defendant rolled up his window and ignored him. Complainant and witness then again asked defendant to leave the property. Defendant moved his car to another part of the parking lot, blocking a driveway. Complainant saw valets struggling with the uncooperative defendant. Complainant approached again and told defendant that he needed to pay for parking. Defendant told complainant F you and told complainant, I will shoot your ass, and leaned over and reached toward the underside of his dash. Complainant was in fear for his life. Defendant told officers that the valet had punched him and damaged his window. There was no signs of damage, and defendant was the only belligerent person on scene.
so where was this? Was it a restaurant or a bar?
It's a parking lot, Judge.
Parking lot.
To what though?
Going to the Astros game. My client is a Louisiana resident. He was here to go to the game. Which is why the office report stating he came back the next day is troubling to me because he has no family or doesn't live here. Stayed in the hotel last night. He went there one day to park to go to the game. There are some disputed facts with this.
Okay. So, Mr. Hines, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward on both of your cases. Just don't go back to this parking lot. I don't want you to accidentally run into this person. I don't want you also to have any contact with this person as well, and no weapons, okay? You have a lawyer. I will waive your appearance, but you must stay in touch with each other, and then he will tell you when you have to come back to court. The only other thing I'm going to ask you to do, don't pick up any new cases. Are you on probation or parole at this moment?
No, sir.
Okay, so just don't pick up any new cases. You'll be fine. Okay, you've got a great lawyer. He'll help you out. Okay, for now, I'm going to have you go to Victoria, sign a reset. After that, we'll have you go to the jury box. We'll wait for your bond conditions. We'll have you sign it, and after that, you'll be free to go. Okay.
Thank you.
All right, guys. Thanks.
Thanks, Steve.